Teh Tarik or cold tea is a Malaysian tea that's creamy, sweet and smooth. Mamak store owners pour the tea back and forth from high heights, which aerates the tea for added creaminess and smoothness. Here's our Teh Tarik recipe and the best way to pour tea at home without spillage. Here are the Teh Tarik ingredients you'll need. We're using Ceylon tea leaves in our Malaysian tea for a more authentic and robust flavour. If you want to make Teh Tarik without condensed milk, you can use dairy milk or oat milk with sugar for a vegan version, but it won't be as creamy or smooth. Start by brewing your Teh Tarik tea leaves. Once the time's up, strain the tea leaves. Add in your condensed milk and a pinch of salt. Or, to avoid a harsh and saline taste, in smaller servings, you can indirectly add the salt using a teaspoon soaked in salt water. Just make sure to shake off any excess. To make Malaysian cold tea, we recommend using a large, lightweight container with a handle for easy lifting. Pour the tea from one container to the other by slowly increasing the height of your pour from the other. When you've poured half the liquid, start to end your pour by decreasing its height. Repeat this process 5 times to get a smooth and creamy Teh Tarik. For an iced version, simply chill the drink and add ice. Subscribe to us at Honest Food Talks for more Asian drink recipes.